Okay, what's up guys? So this is definitely a much busier week. We have the concrete getting replaced and redone behind me. They are doing the driveway, the front porch, the sidewalk, and then the actual garage floor itself. It is Tuesday, October 16th, and today we've got so much taking place. Behind us, the concrete is completely done, and so we're just letting it kind of set right now. We can walk on it, but we definitely can't drive on it. We've got the garage basically cleared out. We've got the door cut for the new backyard exit, and we've got all the doors are ready to be installed for the front and then the kitchen. So let's take a look. Okay, there's nothing like new concrete. It looks so good. This is the driveway, as you see, and obviously the new front walkway and front porch, which we're going to do something super cool with. And then we'll obviously get the landscaping cleaned up. We've got a zero entry garage. Look how good this looks. So that was the former exit doors to the backyard, if you remember. And now we have the new one just in the corner over here. So this makes total sense because we're going to put obviously the washer and dryer right here, and then the furnace is going to go where that former door was. So it's just going to make the place look a lot bigger. You're going to easily be able to put a car in here, and then also have your washer and dryer and utilities in this corner. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited about this front door. I'm going to show you the kitchen door that we have as well, which is just right here. I think that door is going to let in a ton of natural light, especially for this space, and we're going to definitely make this kitchen look a whole lot bigger. Also, if you remember, the bathroom had a window. We've now closed this up. So this is going to be really cool. What we're going to do is a tile surround, and then we're going to do a different type of tile in this section right here. I don't know if it's going to be the length of the window, but it's basically going to be a soap dish. So it's going to have a nice play on two different colors, and it's just going to make for a more sleek, modern tile surround for the whole bathtub. So as things continue to progress, I will definitely keep you guys up to date. I might come back here later today just to see how progress is going and to see when they finally get this door in, because it's going to look so good. But that's probably it for right now. So I'll see you later. Oh my gosh, what a difference does that door make? If you remember the previous one, it was super dark in here, and now we've got so much natural light. Garage, garage, garage. So that was where the former door was, and now we've retired that one, and I've put it over here. We basically used the same style door, but made it a left swinging door, so that it would open to the wall instead of the middle of the garage. So you can now put a car in here, and we're going to use this entire space over here and do a really cool washer dryer setup. And then of course that furnace is going to go right here. Usually I would not be a big fan of having a washer and dryer in the garage, but we've been looking at some cool cubby ideas with like a folding shelf, and so we're going to really make this space just pop in the corner. We've got the front door on, and it looks so good. It's got a nice frosted glass up here, and then we're trying to figure out, there's an issue with the door handle, so we've got to get that figured out. But it's a nice snow white, and it's going to pop so well. Never mind the gutters, or the shutters, they're going to be a black. And then the siding is going to be like this really dark smoky gray. It's just going to look really good. We've got a lot of stuff going on in here. So we are making progress with this former closet. We've got a portion of the furnace out, and we're just finishing up this lower portion and then this upper piece right here, and then we'll demo this closet out and figure out how to move the water heater to that little space back there, which is the former coat closet that you see. So working on that through today, tomorrow, and then this weekend, and it should hopefully be done by next week. We were also supposed to have the termite people come out today and do their service, but unfortunately we have this. If you can look in there and see, we've got like a foot of water in the crawl space. And that's basically due to the fact that this house does not have positive grading yet around the perimeter of the home, and then it obviously has, it's got gutters back here, but not around the entire property. So water is just able to kind of pool inside that crawl space. So we've got to figure that out. So that's going to be it for right now. They've got to get that sump pump obviously pumped out because we don't want that water in there. He's going to finish up that front door that you see right there, and then we're going to get the rest of the siding repair done. And then we should be ready to start painting, and then after paint we'll get the windows in, we'll get the gutters on, and then we'll move on to landscaping and the interior of the house. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll just keep rocking and rolling. That they have to move to the garage.
Okay.
And this is where it was before.
And then all this gets ripped out and that goes in there.
Mm-hmm.
Because the stove and stuff. Yeah, stove goes here.
So they have to finish up this part and then that part down there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not too far from the house. So do you remember what color we chose for the exterior, or what the name of the color was?
It was called Steely Gray. That's what we had decided. And I mean, I looked at the container, and on the lid it did have exterior and it did have Steely Gray. But you just have to look at the gray yourself just to see if it's gotten any darker.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not too far. I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, the house is somewhat painted. It looks a little splotty or blotchy just because it's still wet, but it's called Steely Gray. Let me know what you guys think about this color. I'm not quite sure what I think about it, but I guess it's not bad once you get the accent shutters and mailbox on, which is going to be black. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll definitely take it into consideration. Okay, you guys, so I think that's going to be it for this week. I don't know, this color is just not, it's not bad, but we were wanting something to be a little bit darker. And so I know my mom's not feeling it. I'm not really feeling it, but I'm hoping that, again, with the black shutters, black mailbox, black lantern that we're gonna have on the front door, that it'll kind of pop a little bit. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Again, that's gonna be it for this week, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.